If you want to learn how you can create amazing short form videos using AI, then you are in the right place, because today I'm going to show you a software called Submagic, which is basically at this point an all-in-one platform for creating short form content videos for social media to help you grow your business. Now, they have many features now in their entire portfolio, basically everything from generating captions to adding B-rolls, auto-editing clips, finding viral moments from long-form videos, and even things like ideation or using AI actors. So I'm going to give you a nice overview of the entire platform, and let's jump right into it. So when you sign up for Submagic, which if you want to follow along, you can do that in the description down below. And you can also use code VINCE at checkout to get a nice discount for yourself. But once you signed up, this is exactly what you are going to see. As you can see, there are three main features: are generate captions, then you have AI auto edit, and then you have magic clips. So I'm going to, in this video, go deeper into the generate captions one, but I've also made a couple other videos about Submagic in the past, which I'm going to link down below so you can check out those as well. So generate captions is the most simple feature that they have, but it's also probably the most popular one, where you simply can upload your clips and then create amazing looking captions on it with animations in just a couple seconds. Then you have AI auto edits, so you can choose from multiple templates that they have, and then the AI is automatically going to edit the whole clip for you. So not just add on captions, but even add on B-rolls, sound effects, music, and everything that you need for a high impact short form clip. And then you also have magic clip, where you can simply upload or even paste the link from one of your long form videos or podcasts. It's going to find the most high impact moments in that video, clip them into separate clips, then you can make further adjustments to it and crank out a bunch of short form content from your long piece. So these are the three main features that they have when it comes to the editing section, but you can also find viral ideas with their platform now. This is a newer feature that they rolled out, which I'm going to show you in a second. And you can also connect all of your social media accounts to Submagic and then post everywhere with just a simple click of a button, right? So you no longer have to switch between TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. You can just simply connect all of these platforms to Submagic and be much more efficient with your time, which is amazing. Now, let me show you how this ideas feature works. So you simply need to give Submagic a little bit more details about yourself, who you are making content for, what are you making videos about, who is your target audience. When you first come into this ideas part of Submagic, once you signed up, then it's going to give you a little quiz. You fill that out. In this example case, I want to focus on Abu Dhabi and Abu Dhabi real estate and selling that. So I typed in Abu Dhabi here in the search bar and I put it on global, but you could just search based on a specific country. You can also select the date in which you want to search for videos, and then also you can select your multiplier. So you can go for trending videos, which have 3 times more than the account's usual views, viral videos, which have 10 times more, and breakout videos, which have 50 times more views than the average on that specific account. And this way, you can very simply see all of these videos in your category that have performed well, and then you can simply replicate them, make your own version of it. So this can make ideation a lot easier, because just at a glance you can see how many views that video got, how much it outperformed the average videos on that account. And then once you find the topic that you liked, let's say this one, why Disney's next theme park will be in Abu Dhabi, you just click on replicate. Now it's analyzing the entire video that you are looking to make your own version of, and then it's going to ask you some questions, right? So first it's asking you about the hook. What provocative question can you ask to hook your audience about luxury real estate in Abu Dhabi, because this is the niche that I set up for myself in the initial onboarding. So let's just go with this second one. Now it's going to, after that, ask me a second question. What are the 2 common reasons people believe luxury real estate thrives in Abu Dhabi? So let's just go for this first one, and then the third one, the fourth question as well. And now I can click on final script generation. So you can see that this is not just a simple AI tool, right, that just rewrites the exact script that you are trying to recreate. It actually understands who you are making the video for. It asks you more questions so you can have direct input as well on what direction it should take the script in. And then now it's going to write out the entire thing for you. So all you have to do is read it out loud, and then you can use Submagic to edit it as well. So there you go. We got an amazing script based on this, just from this. I could even create an AI avatar video from it if I wanted to. I could rewrite it or even translate it if I wanted to. So that is the ideas part of Submagic, where you can find topics that have done well in your niche and then also make scripts based on specific videos and also your own input. Now, let me show you the calendar part. So in the calendar, you can simply connect your social media profiles and your platforms. So you can see I have it now connected to Instagram, but I could also connect my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and Facebook as well. And then if I want to, I can very simply just schedule my content. You can, select it from project. Let's say I wanted to do this one. I can choose whether I want it to be a story or a reel. I can put the caption or even add a first comment, and then I can schedule that post with just a click of a button. Now, if I had more platforms connected to the account right now, I could also just select those and schedule my piece of content on all the different platforms with just a click of a button. So that can save you a lot of time. Then we also have analytics. So this is also a new feature that they have. I've just connected my account in this case, so it doesn't give me all of the data yet, but you can see here on the screenshot that you are going to be able to get immense amount of analytics on how your account is performing, which videos did better than others, why they did so well. Obviously, this is super important. If you want to have your account do better and better, it's a good idea always to analyze what has done well for you and make more content like that. And the best part is that they actually focus on metrics that really matter for business growth, not just necessarily vanity. Let me show you also one of the main features in case if you haven't used Submagic yet, which is the generate captions. So what I'm going to do is click on generate captions, then I can just simply drag and drop a file here. So I want to drag and drop this one, and it's automatically going to detect the language that you are speaking in or the person is speaking in your video. But you can see they support so many different languages right here. Now this one is obviously in English. If you have multiple speakers in your clip, then you can also turn on multi-speaker theme, so both people can appear. And they even have this translate feature. So if you wanted to make your videos in multiple languages, you could just click on this, select the language you want to translate it to, and make it in multiple languages. Then you just click on generate captions. And now the software is analyzing your entire clip. It's going to, generate the captions with AI, even make emojis for you, highlight important words, create animation for the captions so the video is way more engaging. And then later on, using their other AI features, you can even add AI background music, AI B-roll clips, transitions, whatever it is that you want to make your video as nice as humanly possible. So just like this, it already created the captions for me. If I want to change the style of the caption, I can just come here to captions, and then you can see I have all the text right here from the video. So if the AI, for whatever reason, made any mistakes, right, because you were saying some words that were not so, popular, then you can easily adjust it. So let's say here it misspelled Hudayriat Island, so I can just change it like that. Here I can just adjust this. So it's very easy to fix any little mistakes that the AI might have made. You can also use this AI hook title feature if you want. So if you click on that, it's going to again analyze the entire context of the video and add like a little hook in the beginning, which is quite nice. You can choose from all of these different styles as well, but I'm going to get rid of that in this case. If you want to change the font that you have, so this is the one I currently have. I quite like this font and this style, so I usually use it, but you could go here to customize and choose from all of these different styles. You can even go further, within that specific one that you are using and change the font. You can change the font weight, the color, the stroke, the shadow. Like you can get super granular with it and make it fit exactly how your brand looks. And then you can also save that as a template. And next time you're making a clip, you just click one button and then you can use that template that you created. So yeah, that's how simple it is to add these amazing animated captions. Super straightforward and easy to do. Then if we go back here, they also have a feature called remove silences. So this, if you click this, it's going to automatically find all of the spots in your video where you have a silence, where you're taking a bit of a breather, and cut that out. So you can see it saved me a couple extra seconds by just toggling this. You also have AI auto zooms. So if you click on this, then it can zoom in a little bit and then zoom out to emphasize certain points that you were saying in a video. We have AI auto B-rolls. So if you click this, Again, it's analyzing the whole clip and then finding relevant stock footage to overlay on top to basically visually illustrate what you are talking about in the video. The best part is that it's all very quick, right? Like doing this on a timeline in an editing software, like a traditional editing software, would probably take you like an hour, you know, to add the captions, to find B-roll clips, to do all of that, add transitions. But here, I just clicked one button and now it added all of these B-roll clips as well on top that were super relevant. So here I was talking about briefing event, and then it adds B-roll of people discussing in a boardroom. That is just, I mean, amazing. It speeds up everything so much. Yeah, if you want to change the B-rolls that it added automatically, then you can just come here to scenes, find all the different parts where it added B-roll. If you don't like one of them for some reason, you can click here on change asset, and then you can just search up whatever it is that you want to add B-roll of. Let's say I wanted to add a B-roll of an island here. I can just search in here island, pick one that I like, let's say this one, and then it's going to add that exact clip onto my timeline into that scene. I can also change the starting point, the ending point. So you get my point, right? You can customize it just as much as you would like. So that is scenes and B-rolls. You also have this, AI hook title, which I've already showed you how to use. Then we have clean audio. So if you click on this, if you filmed in an outside setting, right, where you have some wind noise, city noise, whatever it is that's messing up your audio, if you just click on this, it's going to, in a second, go ahead and filter it so you sound a lot cleaner and it sounds like it was recorded, you know, with a better quality microphone. So I like to use that one as well. Then we have remove bad takes. So this one will automatically detect if you said a sentence multiple times and if you messed up, and it will just keep the right take in the video. And then we have correct eye contact. So if you are looking just a little bit on the side, you are maybe reading a script, if you click this one, then it will actually, using AI, create eye contact between you and the camera lens, so it looks, you know, more natural from viewer experience. So you can just get an idea now about how powerful this tool is, how much you can do with it in such short time. You can add images as well on top, you can add text, everything that you could video editing software, but it's a lot more user friendly and it's a lot quicker. Now, once you're happy with your video, you can just click here on export. You can choose your export settings and then just click here, export. After that, it's going to take a couple of seconds to export out the video. Then you will have the download button appear, which you can click on, and then you can download it to your computer. You can send it to your mobile phone, or if you want to, you can even click here on publish and then directly publish it from Submagic. In a nutshell, that is how the manual adding captions, adding B-rolls feature of Submagic works. So this is kind of like their main feature. As I've said in my other videos, I have also covered the Magic Clips, which is one of my other favorites, and even the AI auto edits, which if you try it out, it's pretty mind-blowing. Don't get me wrong, like these AI tools, they don't always get everything 100% right for the first time, but if you start using it, you will realize just how much time it can really save you in your process. Of course, this is not necessarily meant to replace super professional editing done in something like After Effects, but for I would say 99% of small business owners or influencers who cannot afford to spend hundreds of dollars on a short form video edit, this tool is a game changer because it really makes the playing field even. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on a video editor every single month to be able to pump out high quality short form clips at a high volume. So you can see now it has been exported, so I can actually just download that file and then use it however I wish. I can also preview it here, and I can even go back into editing if I needed to.
The most anticipated launch of this year is happening today here on Hudayriyyat Island. Modon is releasing in limited quantities golf course villas and townhouses. And today my team and I are going to be attending the brokers briefing event where we get all of the details about the units and prices. And then we will be working throughout the night to get this information to you tomorrow first thing.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just to cover everything that we went over the ideation feature of Submagic and how you can find trending topics in your niche and then create scripts using AI from them. We went over the content calendar where you can schedule everything here from one place for all your different social media platforms. We went over the analytics feature where you can get in-depth insights on your contents and your social media accounts performance. We went over how to add captions captions, edit your videos using this tool. And then I have other videos as well showing you magic clips, auto edits. So I will leave that in the description down below as well as their AI thumbnail little brother software, so to say, or little sister software, which is Submagic. So hope you enjoy this video. If you want to try it out, check out the first link in the description down below, and I will see you in the next one.